Hello, my name is Sushima, and today we're going to talk about the magical, miraculous Master Tonic. Why am I talking about it right now? I have been making it every year, teaching it every year. This year is particularly important, as was last year, simply because we have so many natural means of shoring up our immune system. The people that I have worked with who are taking their Master Tonic just don't get the flu in winter. So if you want to, it says I need to take action. Okay, sorry, streaming metrics. I'm hoping this works out okay. For the persons who are watching it, can you see me okay, or is there a problem? Please let me know. If you're seeing me okay, please comment back and tell me that it's okay. We're going to talk about the Master Tonic. And the reason I want to talk about the Master Tonic is to give your body a leg up on immunity in the coming winter. We're in October now. We'll be in November and December soon. A lot of people are taking flu shots. You don't need to take flu shots. You don't need to take prophylactic drugs. All you need to do is give your body the right food so that your immune system, there are two parts to your immune system, your innate immune system and your humoral immune system, can actually do the job for you. And so the Master Tonic is super simple. What you need is a Cuisinart, which will coarsely chop your vegetables for you. And so we're doing a combination of equal parts of ginger, turmeric, that's turmeric, hot peppers, onions, and garlic, and horseradish. I didn't find the horseradish in our local market, so I'm going to add it later after the fact. But you need to have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in equal parts in your mason jars. So I layer them in the mason jars thusly to about half the mason jar, a layer of each, and I'll use 2 or 3 mason jars to do this. And then I top it up with organic, raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, which then pickles these wonderful spices, these wonderful anti-cancer, antiviral, antibacterial spices that have flavonoids that are very protective for your body. So the important thing is to get your immune protectors through your food and not through exogenous drugs. Let your immune system do the work. And it is very delicious. You can eat it with your salads. You can mix it with salad dressing, salad oil, and have a wonderful balsamic, which has just this unique aroma, fragrance, spice, and it doesn't taste exactly like ginger. It doesn't taste exactly like turmeric or serrano peppers. It just sort of melds together, and you get a wonderful, very flavorful Master Tonic, which is very antiviral. And so I would highly recommend that before the beginning of each winter, you make this for yourself. And once you make it, you take a couple of tablespoons of it daily in your soups, on your vegetables, on your frittata, on your eggs. You can eat the dregs, or you can eat the liquid, which is infused with all these spices, and never look back. And I hope you enjoy making it, and I hope you have good health this winter with your Master Tonic.